It seems the fashion industry are embracing the power of drones when looking to shoot their latest ranges in a COVID-safe manner.
Geeksvana is your drone channel.
Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. We are a channel focused on drones and tech, including regular news updates just like this video. If that kind of thing is of interest to you, consider subscribing, and to get the latest drone news first, hit the notification bell. A so-called fast fashion outlet, Pretty Little Thing, has teamed up with the innovative people at creative agency Komodo to use only drone cameras to shoot the latest campaign. The multi-award winning agency came up with a tactic to not only use the unique perspective a drone can give, but to provide extra distancing for the models involved during the current pandemic. This is the first major fashion campaign to ever be filmed exclusively by drone. Along with the drone operators, a limited crew prepared and shot the campaign in isolated locations. As you might expect, global brands are grappling with how to continue their business during some challenging times, and this use for drones has to be seen as a positive for the UAS field. Komodo are an Australian-based agency, and the shoot took advantage of the amazing scenery and locations on offer around New South Wales, featuring some of Australia's best-known models and influencers, including Samantha Rayner and Ashley Menin. Keen observers amongst you will spot various DJI products in use, including the Phantom and Mavic series drones, showing the high-quality footage and results which can be gained with smaller prosumer drones these days. The choice of drone was also likely heavily weighed by the close proximity of flight the drones will need to have taken to the models. By the looks of some of the footage released by Pretty Little Thing and Komodo, the models appear to embrace and enjoy this innovative shoot. One model, Samantha Rayner, commented, "Shooting with a drone was so different to a traditional shoot with us models having to hold each pose for an extended period of time so the drone can focus. It was certainly different to shooting in my living room, which was beginning to feel like the norm." Founder of Komodo, Nick Seymour, told the industry Fashion, "We at Komodo are stoked that Pretty Little Thing decided to work with us on this revolutionary campaign. Our mantra is never do normal, and we're always looking for innovative ways to inspire our clients, and this was a great opportunity to do something different. The final result is epic, and we are so proud of it. Australia is such a stunning backdrop for global campaigns, and it's incredible to shine a spotlight on how versatile it can be by bringing one of the world's largest online retailers to our shores for a global campaign. Which other ways do you think drones could be used to help move the world forward and business get back to some form of normality? Let me know in the comments below. I'd really like to hear your thoughts. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. The support of all of our viewers means so much. See you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No one to see.